Welcome to my YouTube channel Maths by RK Sir. Now we have to solve exercise 9.1 question number 12. Question is given that from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression from its foot is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. First we draw a ray diagram from the given information. Let me suppose that AB is the building and A is the top of the building and B is the bottom of the building, and CD is the tower. CD is a tower. CD, where C is the top of the building and D is the bottom of the tower. Sorry, C is the top of the tower and D is the bottom of the tower. This is given that 7 meter. So it will be equal to 7 meter. Let we suppose this will be equal to h meter. So the total height will be equal to 7 plus h or h plus 7 meter. And it is given that the elevation angle between the top of the building and top of the tower is equal to 60 degree. It is given. And the depression angle from the top of the building and foot of the tower is equal to the 45 degree. That means this is equal to 45 and this is equal to alternate interior angle, so it will be 45 degree also. Clear? Now let me suppose this is equal to x meter, and here is x, so it will be also equal to x meter. This length is also equal to x meter. Clear? Let AB is equal to 7 meter is the height of building and CD is the height of tower. CD is equal to h plus 7 and BD equal to x meter is the distance between both. Elevation angle CAE, CAE, CAE is equal to 60 degree, and depression angle D DAE equal to ADB equal to 45 degree. Now in right angle triangle AEC, we have to find the relationship between h and x. According to 60 degree, h will be perpendicular and this will be base. The relationship between base and perpendicular comes in tan. So we find the tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to P by B. Tan 60, that means root 3 by 1 is equal to h upon x. It will be x root 3 is equal to h. Question number first. Again, in a right angle triangle ABD, ABD, this will be a, we have to find the relationship between base x and 7. According to 45, this will be perpendicular and this will be equal to base. The relationship between base and perpendicular comes in tan, so we have to find tan 45 degree. 45 degree is equal to b by p by b, sorry, p by b is equal to 7 by x. 1 by 1 is equal to 7 by x. X is equal to 7. This is equation number second. From equation second, put x is equal to 7 in equation number first. We get x root 3 is equal to h. So 7 root 3 is equal to h because x is equal to 7 from equation first. Second, sorry. So the total height of the tower will be CD is equal to h plus 7. That means 7 plus 7 root 3. That means 7 1 plus root 3 meter. Thanks for watching. This is the answer number 12. We have to solve next question, question number 13. Question number 13 is given that as observed, the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression from the sea depression up to ships are 38 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. First, we draw a ray diagram from the given information. Let me suppose that this is AB is the lighthouse. This is 75-meter high. This is the sea level. This sea. Let me suppose this is the horizontal line from the top of the lighthouse. Here, depression angle of two ships. Let me suppose the position of first ship is here and this is D. The depression angle from the top of the lighthouse is 45 degree. So it will be 45 degree because when object is nearer from the bottom of a tower or lighthouse, then angle will be increased, and this is the depression angle between top of lighthouse and another this is 45 degree and this is 30 degree. So it will be equal to 30 degree. Let me suppose this is equal to x meter and this is equal to y meter. Total height will be x plus y meter. Clear? Now let AB equal to 75 meter is the height of lighthouse and CD is the distance between both ship. Clear? Now in right angle triangle ABD, we have to find relationship between y and 75 degree. According to 45, this will be perpendicular and this will be base, and it comes in tan. So tan 45 degree is equal to P by B. Tan 45 degree is equal to P, that means 75, and B is equal to y. 75 upon y. Tan 45, that means 1 by 1 is equal to 75 upon y. Y is equal to 75 meter. This is equation number first. Again, in triangle, right angle triangle ABC, we have to find relationship between x plus y and 75. According to 30 degree, this will be base and this will be perpendicular, and it comes in tan. So we have find again tan 30 degree is equal to P by B. Tan 30 degree, that means 1 by root 3, it equal to 75 degree upon x plus y. X plus y is equal to 75 root 3. This is equation number second. From equation first, y is equal to 75 meter, put in equation number second. So it will be x plus 75 is equal to 75 root 3. X is equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. So it will be x is equal to 75 will be common and root 3 minus 1. X is equal to 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. So the distance between both ships will be CD equal to x equal to 75 bracket root 3 minus 1 meter. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.